In today's video, I will show you the breakdown of my design, how I made it, what elements I used in it. In this video, you will know everything. First, I took a green color background because I am making a poster for the Bangladesh cricket team here, and the primary color of their jersey and national flag is green. The background work is done for now. Then I started to add all the players. Here, everything I used will be given in the description in the form of a zip file. Then I added some glow PNG here and mixed their color just like the background because here you can see that none of these players have full portraits. So if I left them like this here, the thing would have looked unfinished and completely unprofessional. So I added them according to my needs. Now, after doing this, I noticed one thing, that the background looks very plain and simple. So I started thinking about adding some kind of texture or not. I did some more research and got an idea by looking at the texture of Bangladesh's World Cup jersey's backside. There was a texture that resembled their national animal royal Bengal tiger. Then again, I also started looking for that kind of texture. After searching, I found it in iStock. No need to worry, it will also be in that zip file. So I just took it, erased the yellow, and decreased the opacity then. Boom! Got the exact same texture on our background. So therefore, the subject and background work is finished. After that, I wanted to add some details, so I added their national team logo PNG and added the official PNG logo of ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023, India. Added some texts or slogans, using the font of Gotham Bold and Gotham Bold italic font. Our PIXELLAB work was done and jumped into Lightroom. The process were just same like our previous tutorial. Increase the clarity and texture to 50 and do some basic adjustments according to your needs, and simply after doing this, we got the final look of our design. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.